Hello, time for a Crimson Desert tutorial, and this is a super easy one. Just where we are looking for the Silverwolf Cave Goldmine here in Silverwolf Mountain. And here we are on the map. This is the location of where the cave is going to be. So you're going to just go down into this area right here, and then kind of hug to the left here. And it's not quite at the bottom down there, it's up here to the left. And there's this little rock right there. It's a little bit discolored, and then you're going to force palm and break that rock, and that is how you're going to enter the cave. It's pretty easy, simple, but it's also easily missed as well. And then you're just going to walk on back there. There's no traps or anything in this cave. And then at the very end of the cave, you will find a bunch of gold ore that you can mine, and it will refresh, I believe, every 7 days. In game days it will refresh. So if you need more gold ore, you can just always come back here and get some more. And there are several caves like this throughout Crimson Desert where you can mine gold ore. Hopefully this was helpful. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.